How's it going, everybody? I'm Daniel, you're watching Daniel Tech, and today we're gonna unbox the brand new Apple Watch Series 4 that Apple has just released. This unit right here that we're gonna unbox is the 44mm version, so it's the bigger one, and it's the space gray aluminum version, okay? So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we have it. Let's go ahead and dig in. So the unboxing experience is completely different with this version. Okay, so we have this new packaging system right here with these two tabs. Okay, so we're gonna open them up very quickly, and we've got this beautiful package right here with so many different Apple Watch versions and drawings that just looks really cool and modern. Right here we have the Apple Watch Series 4 unit itself. I'm gonna put it to a side. And right here we have the band. As you guys can see, it comes separate right now. It doesn't come in the same box. It just comes like a separate accessory. So that's cool as well. Okay, so let's leave and put that to the side. Let's go ahead and open the band first, okay? Because why not? So let's just go ahead and open it up. And as you guys can see, it is just straightforward packaging. Very similar to the band, as if you bought it separately. You've got the band itself right here with two different sizes, okay? And of course you can just remove them very easily and take a look at themselves, okay? It's got that black but not very dark black, kind of a grayish tone that looks very good if you ask me, okay? So that's pretty much it. And last but not least, of course, we're going to talk about the start of the show. So, packaging is pretty clear with just this watch face right here. Very simple, very elegant, showing you the new form factor and showing you that the bezels are now slimmer. If you're asking yourself why I have these bruises in my hands, is from my CrossFit gloves. So, don't worry about it if you're getting curious or maybe some creative. I don't know. So, that's why. Okay, so opening it up is a little different as well. You can see that the whole experience is more sophisticated than before. So now you've got the Apple Watch itself in this cloth right here. So it comes in this like little protecting cloth. So that's pretty cool. So you can just remove it, and now you can see your Apple Watch itself. Let's put that to the side as well. Right here we can open the box, and then we have some basic information, okay, on how to set it up and how to do the basic things you need to do with your Apple Watch, the basic steps and the buttons and things like that, okay, but we don't need that. And after, we've got our little power brick, okay, usual, and we've got, of course, our charging cable, exactly the same as before, with the magnetic tip right here, round tip right here, and the other end is just plain USB, okay? So with that said, we've got here our Apple Watch, okay? And I'm just gonna install the band that it comes with, just so you guys can have a look, because otherwise it's just not gonna make much sense, is it? So right here we put the top part first, so right there, with a perfect click and fit, and the bottom part as well. Just keep in mind that it will work with your old bands as well, okay? So this is the 44mm, if it focused, yes, this is the 44mm version, and it will work with the 42, and same thing with the 40mm will work with 38mm old bands as well, so we don't need to worry about losing your bands. Now let's see how it looks. That's the way it is, okay? As you guys can see, the band is pretty similar to the ones we are used to, but the watch itself is pretty different, especially if you look at it from this side. You can see that it's so slim, okay? Like, it is so slim. That's great if you use like long sleeve shirts and things like that, like me, because the old one used to be pretty fat right here. So this one with this slim profile is so much better. Something that you can definitely notice as well is right here, where we've got the two speakers. So speakers are louder, are better, and they are just on one side, okay? So this side is just the speakers, and here at the other side you can see that you got your power button, or side button and your digital crown, and of course you have your microphone as well. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Something that you can definitely tell a difference when you're using this watch is that the digital crown, when the watch is on, gives you this haptic feedback, and it just emulates like a real digital, like a real crown on a watch. So that premium feel is so good. It is very nice. It's a very nice little attention to detail. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have a bunch of videos showing you guys everything about this watch. Okay, showing you the new screen, showing you what you can do with it, showing you the speed, and of course showing you watchOS 5 and what it can do. So stay tuned, make sure to stay tuned, because I'm gonna post a ton of content regarding this Apple Watch. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to know how you can pair your new Apple Watch to your iPhone and restore your information, so restore the information from your old Apple Watch, I'm gonna put a video right here that you can click and you can have a look on how to do that. That's a dedicated video on that subject. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below, and also click on my face right here, and that will make you my subscriber. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.